Hello YouTube and welcome back to Finance World, where we'll be continuing our tutorial on building the risk management tool here. Now, sometimes when you're trading cryptocurrencies on some of these exchanges, you may be charged a fee that's not in fiat currency, and it could be a percentage of the order you've just filled. And I will demonstrate to you how you can input this trade into the trade sheet and get it added to your position sheet. So let's again assume a hypothetically traded trade here in Cardano. Okay, and let's assume that you bought 1,000 Cardano at $1.10, and now the fee costs you 1% of the order you filled in cryptocurrency. So 1% of 1,000 coins would be 10 coins, and then those coins were priced at $1.1. So your fee is now $11 instead of 10. What you now have to do is you have to adjust the position you bought and make sure that you reduce the actual position by the amount of coins that were charged from you. So in this case, you would do minus 10. So your total position bought this time around would just only be 990 coins of Cardano. Now let's copy this down and see how that looks. Okay, so if you check your trade ticket, you should check that the US dollar amount you paid should be exactly correct to how we booked the trade here, and now your new position should be added across, indicating that you have bought actually just 1,990 coins, given that 10 coins were paid as a fee. Now, I've also had people tell me, well, I've actually staked my coins and I earn interest on that, and how would I log that just to have a full picture of my cryptocurrency? So what you could do here is you could enter this as so, and let's just use Cardano again, and then maybe you earn 0.12 of a coin. What you would then do is you don't have a price because you just earn these by staking them, and you don't actually have a term amount. So you can either input 0 here or leave it blank, and then just fill out your broker where you earn your coins when you stake them, and just give it the same footbook as well, and that should then pull across. And that is how you make sure that you log all your crypto activity. And I would say, happy trading to crypto. If you've liked this simple video on how you can add fees that are not paid in fiat and how you add your interest on here, please like and subscribe. Here we have a notes field. You can actually say and make a note for yourself, and you can write interest. So the notes section is just good and handy, so when you look back at your trades, you can see what this trade was about and how you accounted for certain things. You could say, oh, the fee looks different, and actually it's because 1% of the position was paid as fees instead of a fiat fee that was paid. And same here. How come I've only just got 0.12 coin? And that's because it was interest for staking your coins. So that is that for updating you on adding cryptocurrency trades with the fees paid in the cryptocurrencies itself. So if you've liked this short video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below, and happy trading.